Hello children, now today we can study question number 21, that is a switch statement. So in switch statement you have to find out two things. Find and display all the factor of a number input by the user, including 1 and excluding the number itself. If you have input n equal to 5, so your output will be 1, 3, 5 because 15 is divisible by 1, 3 and 5. And B1, find and display the factorial. First one is the factor. Second one, you have to find out the factorial of a number input by the user. And what is a factorial? The factorial of a non-negative integer n denoted by n exclamation mark is there is the product of all the integer less than or equal to n. And if your input n equal to 5, so you found and 5 factorial will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 will get as a 120. So this you have to do in a using the switch case. Factor and factorial. Now we can see the program. Import java.util scanner class, your class name fact and main function you have to write, and scanner in equal to new scanner system.in. You have to print first one factor of a number, and second one you have to print factorial of a number, and after that you enter a choice, int choice equal to int.next int, then after that int num, then switch choice, open the curly bracket. Now case 1. Case 1 is system.out.print, we have entered number equal to int.next int. Now we have taken one loop for int I equal to 1, I less than number, semicolon, then I plus plus, and open the curly bracket. Why to find check if num mod of I equal to 0, that you have to print I. Then after that system.out, because two curly bracket we have open here, so you have to close the two curly bracket, and after that you have to write system.out.println and break. So case 1 is over. Now you can see if you run this program, it will be like this. First I plus plus, then I less than number, and if n number mod of I equal to 0. Before that I have entered number is equal to 15. So first updation 1 is less than 15. So here condition will be 15 mod of 1 you will get as a 1. In second updation 2 less than equal to 15. So your condition will be 15 mod of 2 equal to not 0. And in third updation 3 less than 15. So 15 mod of 3 will get as a 0. That is a 5 will get. In fourth updation 4 less than 15. So 15 mod of 4 you will not get as a completely 0. Then in fifth updation 5 less than 15, so your 15 mod of 5 will get as a completely 0. So that remainder is a completely divisible by 5, so you will get as a 3. So 15 is divisible by 1, 3 and 5. This is your factor of 15. Now we can see the case 2. Case 2 is that system.out.print, enter a number, num is equal to int.next int. Then you have to take one integer data type f equal to 1. Then for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to number, semicolon, I plus plus. Now you have to the product, so f equal to f into I, and that f you had to print. After that you had to break it, then system.out.print incorrect choice. Now the formula of a factorial is what? N factorial is equal to now n factorial will be n into, in bracket you have to write n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 up to factorial. How many number you have entered? 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we can see that suppose I have entered here as a 4. 4 factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you'll get as a 4 factorial. After that you have to do the factorial of 3. Now 3 factorial will be 3 into 2 into 1. Now we'll get as a 4 into 3. Now we have to do the 2 factorial. 2 factorial will be 2 into 1. Then 1 factorial will be 1 only. So now you get as a 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now that 4 you have to apply here. Now if you run this program, it will be like this. I plus plus I less than equal to num, then f equal to f into I. For first updation, 1 less than equal to 4, correct? So our factorial will be 1 into 1, you will get as a 1 only. In second updation, 2 less than equal to 4. So our factorial is 1 only. So 1 into 2, you will get as a 2. In third updation, 3 less than equal to 4. So your factorial is 2. So 2 into 3, you will get as a 6. In fourth updation, 4 less than equal to 4, that it will be 4 only. Then 6, you will get as a 6 factorial. 6 into 4, you will get as a 24. If 4 factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If you multiply, you will get as a 24. So in this way, you can do the factorial program. Now we can see the output of this program. So choice case is there, factor of number and factorial of a number. Enter your choice. So choice we have entered and enter the number 15. So I will get as a 135. So enter the choice 2. So enter the choice of 2. I have entered as a 5 factorial. So 5 factorial will be 120. So in this way you can do the program of factor and factorial. If you found any difficulty of this program, you can call me or text me. Hope you understood this program. Thank you, my dear children.